If you work in the agriculture sector, you can begin work. But coronavirus is still here, so we need to take precautions, you and me and everyone else. Whether it's harvesting, collection, transportation, supply of vegetables, supply of seeds, or any other activities, do not forget the precautions. Wash your hands often. Wear masks. Do not cough or sneeze without covering your mouth. Do not spit everywhere. Practice social distancing at all times. Wash equipment and surfaces that are touched. Have different timings for different batches of workers to reduce crowding. As much as possible, engage only familiar persons after making checks. This reduces the risk of carriers mixing with the rest. Prefer machines with the minimum number of persons required. Collect produce in small heaps, spaced 3 to 4 feet from each other with not more than 2 people per heap. Clean your machines. Sanitize the parts that are touched frequently. Dry the products completely before storage. The very elderly are at the highest risk of COVID-19. They should stay home. And whatever else you do, always follow these safety measures. Don't forget. Clean your hands. Wear masks. Do not cough or sneeze without covering your mouth. Do not spit everywhere. Maintain distance from each other and sanitize the equipment. Let's all fight this virus together.